dears, welcome to this new tutorial. This tutorial is again one for the series on the prepositions and will be about the preposition a. So the general idea of this preposition is direction. So think towards something, towards someone, and it can therefore be translated mostly with to in English. But as I said many times, there's not just one way of translating them. So while I can be often translated with to in English, it's not always the case. And so the first question that you answer by using a is to whom. So for example, if you want to say I give a gift to Carlo, you say do un regalo a Carlo. So again, to Carlo is a Carlo. And then the preposition a is also to indicate movement towards a place. So again, this idea of direction. So towards a place, in direction of a place. So if you want to say I'm going to the shop, then you say vado al negozio. In this case, I'm using a combined with the article il, and so it becomes al. But the point is that so I have to use a to say I'm going to the shop. Or for example, if you want to say the train is going to Rome, you say il treno va a Roma. So because it's going in that direction. And sometimes, and this can actually be quite confusing, you can use a also to say that you are at a place. So if you want to say that you are at a place, sometimes you use a and sometimes you use in. And we'll see the use about in another video. But so for now, know that sometimes to say that you are at a place, you need to use a. So as you see, a can also be translated with at sometimes. And for example, you say sono al cinema to say I am at the cinema. And again, is a combined with the article il. But to say I'm at the cinema, you're using a. Or if you say I am at the restaurant, you say sono al ristorante. Again, I'm combining the preposition with the article. But the point is that you're using a. And we will talk about the difference when to use a and when to use in the video about in. But the point is that there's not really a rule. A trick that can help is that if it's a place that ends with ria, like pizzeria, then you mostly use in. But there's not really a rule for when to use one and when to use the other. You just need to learn. Another question that you answer by using a is at what age. So when you're talking about at what age you did something, or at what age you usually do something, then you need to use a. So for example, if you want to say in Italy you can vote when you are 18 years old, then you say in Italia si può votare a 18 anni. So when you talk about at what age you can do something, at what age you did something, then you need to use a. Or if you want to say I started studying English when I was 10, then you would say ho cominciato a studiare l'inglese a 10 anni. A last use for a is at what time. So whenever you talk about at what time something happened, something, it's gonna happen. It doesn't matter. So if it's in the past, in the future, or if it's in general, you need to use a. So, for example, if you want to say, yesterday we had dinner at 8, you say, ieri abbiamo cenato alle 8. And so usually you combine it with the article when you talk about time. In the past, I made a video about how to tell time, so you will find more information there, and I will link it in the description. But so for now, for the purpose of this video, know that whenever you talk about what time something is happening, you need to use a. Also, if you want to say we see each other at 1, then you will say ci vediamo all'1. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, feel free to post comments, questions, other topics you would like to talk to me about. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching and see you next tutorial. Ciao, ciao!